Senators Nancy Binay and Sherwin Gatchalian remain buddies even while on self-quarantine. Both legislators are in isolation for 14 days. Within the 2-week period, Binay had to cancel her daughter's birthday dinner. But she found a way to cope with the quarantine by taking care of family laundry. When Binay posted this on Twitter, Gatchalian told her, an hour later, Binay replied, Binay and Gatchalian are on isolation after attending a Senate hearing with a resource person who tested positive for the coronavirus disease.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.